Many people delay hearing tests, thinking their hearing hasn't changed enough. But even small changes affect communication and confidence. You may need a test if conversations feel harder to follow, or you notice increased listening fatigue. For hearing aid users, adjustments are just as important as the original fitting. If your aids feel uncomfortable, sound distorted, or whistle, it may be time for fine-tuning. Regular assessments help us track changes and ensure your hearing aids remain properly calibrated. They also identify earwax buildup, which can reduce performance and sound quality. At Hearing First Oxford, we provide thorough tests and adjustments to help you stay connected and confident.